In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your photos to iCloud using your iPhone. This process is straightforward, and by following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your precious memories are safely backed up and accessible across your Apple devices. Let's dive in. Firstly, we'll start by enabling iCloud Photos. This feature is essential as it allows your photos to be automatically uploaded to your iCloud account. To begin, head over to your settings. Once you're there, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Within this menu, you will find the iCloud option. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you manage everything related to your iCloud account. From here, select Photos. The next step is crucial. You need to turn on Sync this iPhone or iCloud Photos depending on your iOS version. Simply toggle the switch to enable this feature. Once you have done this, your iPhone will start syncing your photos to iCloud automatically. This means that any new photo you take will be uploaded to the cloud, ensuring you have a backup. Now, moving on to our second step, it's vital to connect to a Wi-Fi network. This is because iCloud typically uploads photos only when you're on Wi-Fi. Not only does this conserve your mobile data, but it also ensures a stable and faster upload process. However, if you have ample mobile data and you're okay with using it, you can allow uploads over the cellular network in your settings. If you're planning to upload a large batch of photos, say from a recent vacation or an event, it's a good idea to plug your iPhone into a power source. Uploading a lot of photos can be taxing on your battery, so keeping your phone charged will prevent any interruptions in the upload process. Finally, we move on to the last step, waiting for the upload to complete. This part requires a little patience. To check the progress, open the Photos app and navigate to the Library section. Here, your photos will start syncing in the background. You may notice a small icon or a status message indicating that uploads are in progress. That's all there is to it. Once the process is complete, all your photos will be securely stored in iCloud and accessible from any device where you're signed in with your Apple ID. Remember, this is a fantastic way to free up space on your iPhone while ensuring that your photos are protected. So, whether it's for safeguarding memories or just decluttering your phone, iCloud Photos is a reliable tool to have in your digital toolkit. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this guide helps you keep your photo library safe and sound in the cloud. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below.